Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Beautiful winter's day here in Melbourne. The rain stopped, so let's have a bit of a look, bit of an update on where we're up to with the soundproofing of the car. So basically we've completed the sound treatment in the rear of the boot area. We've done the driver's side and fitted all the trim back there. The boot floor is done and we've done the cutout to place over the top of that. The passenger side is also treated. Just need to do some wiring on the amps and things today to be able to put that trim back in place. So the rear of the car is getting close to being done, and then we'll be moving on to the middle of the car. So at the moment it's looking a bit of a mess. So we'll get the wiring and the amps done now, and then see if we can put the boot of the car back together. So that's a quick update on progress so far, and I'll go do a bit of work and join you guys a bit later. Okay, well, before I can put in the rear trim on the passenger side for the last time, I really need to sort out the wiring harness for the amp and the DSP. So at the moment I'm opening up the loom, and it looks like the tweeters and the rear speakers are running off the stock speaker wires, and they're then being spliced into some what looks like 14 gauge or something, and then down into the unit that splits the mids and the tweeters, the crossover that splits the mids and the tweeters as a passive in the rears. So to get rid of all of this splicing and the stock wires, I'm bypassing that with some Stinger speaker wire. So I need to do all that type of stuff first before I can really wrap up this loom and get the trim in. So while I'm at it, I'm sort of working out the checking all the polarities, make sure they're all connected properly, and so I'll keep plugging away at that and come back when that's done. Oh, just another update. So been working on the wiring in here. Got everything sort of routed up and through to the rough area where it all needs to be on the passenger side, and over here on the driver's side done the same. Ran some new Stinger cable for the rears up and then underneath the trim, once again into the position where they need to go. So I'm going now to lock down this this back passenger part and get the trim back in, see if I can get the subwoofer in this evening, and wrap it up for the day. Right, so I got the subwoofer mounting bracket installed. Put foam on all the little contact points so that it is solid and does not rattle at all. So I'll get the subwoofer installed now and move on to the next section. Well, the sun's setting on another Melbourne winter's day and finally we've got the boot finished and the trim back into place. So on the passenger side that's all done, the floor and the driver's side. So that's a bit of a milestone. Pretty happy about that. So it's not 100% fitment. There's still a little bit of trimming I need to do here to get that to sit flush. And I still have to get those amps in, which is a job for tomorrow. So today's episode was pretty light on content, mainly because it's just doing a lot of wiring, which is not very very entertaining. So anyway, we'll get these amps in and all wired up tomorrow, and then make a start on the main cabin of the car. So thanks for tuning in, and I will catch you on the next episode.